Hello, this is my kinetics exam 1 corrections. So the first problem I redid was question 3. This is my screenshot from my exam, and then this is my corrected work. So as you can see, I got 4 out of 8 points, and I got like all the written stuff right. So I understood that CSTR operates at outlet conditions, while the PFR changes concentration down the length. I have like the same thing up there, and then I knew that it would take the least reactor volume to do this in a PFR and then a CSTR. And then I also did understand like the graphing or like the area for a CSTR and a PFR. So as you can see for a CSTR, I made it like a box, like a base times height, but then for PFR, I was area under the curve. And then the only thing that I did wrong here was I like flipped them. So I guess the exam stress got to me, and I thought that like for some reason the inlet conversion of A was the highest, and then like leaving the PFR, it like was dropping as it went through the reactors. I don't really know why I was thinking that, but yeah, I redrew it just like flipping them. So in my solution, I understood that the PFR should go before the CSTR, but I thought that the initial conversion of A was close to 1, not close to 0. Now that I think about it, of course, at the beginning, not much of A has converted, and as the reaction proceeds, more and more of A is converted. So um, I think I really understand this now. I just had them flipped in my exam. So next up is question 4. This one I got 9 out of 10 points on, and I did all the work right. The only thing that I missed here was when I pulled out from dNA dt and turned that into V dCA dt, I didn't like explicitly write out that volume is constant, and that's why we can kind of eliminate the term. Here I have it written down here. So basically, when you do product rule on this dNA dt, you get a VCD V dCA dt plus CA dV dt. And since it's a constant volume batch reactor, this dV dt term goes to 0 because our volume is constant, and that's why we can simplify this down and then eventually just cancel out those volumes. But yeah, that's all I did. I redid question 3, which I got 4 out of 8 on, and then I redid question 4, which I got 9 out of 10 on. And I think that's all I have to say. These exam corrections. I hope you like our Halloween decorations in the back.